when God created Adam, for the first time ato makita diha, Adam was in the image of God. Unsang image si Ginoo? Kung may kag 3 parts ang tao, ang image Ginoo na ay Father, na itong Son, then Holy Spirit. Kung imong tan-awon, 3 persons. Pero kung imong tan-awon, tulo sila. Kaya kanunay nga masigutan sa when we talk about God or Godhead. Tulo na sila ka persona. Kung imong tan-awon ang tao, kinisa about sa God. Kung imong tan-awon ang tao, man, na siya'y spirit. Na siya'y soul, na siya'y body. So ito 3 parts ang tao. Kaya tulo ka parte sunod na to. Muna ang sadyang gi-create niya si Adam, He created Adam in His likeness. Sama sa dagway niya, sama sa iyang pagkasiya. In the image of God, created He him. Kita nato diya sa Biblia. Kung nato tanawon ang spirit ni Adam, buhi, dili patay. Ang kalag ni Adam, dili siya yung dili luwas. Ang yang body, perfect. Ang lawas ni Adam. So kung imong tanawon, perfecto siya. In the image of God, perfecto siya. Daghang mga tao mingon nga, we are created in the image of God. No, we are not created in the image of God. Ay, di ta mutuwa na nga, kita nga mga tao created ta sa image of God. Dili. Ang gi-create sa Ginoo in His own image, si Adam lang ang created in the likeness of God. Kita, dili na ta created in the likeness of God. Ang nahitabo nato sa diyang si Adam nakasala, na-deform siya. That is why, ang sunod ng mga verse nga tumakita din ha, dili na ta created in the image of God. Created ta in the image of Adam. Ang tanato sa ito, Genesis chapter 5. Verse number 1. Tanawan na ito diha. Genesis chapter 5, verse number 1. This is the book of the generations of Adam. In the day that God created man, in the likeness of God, made He him. Klaro diya. Ang sunod nga verse, male and female created He them, and blessed them, and called their name Adam, in the day when they were created. So in the day that they were created, they were in the likeness of God. Pag-abot sa verse number 3, tapos na siya, wala na hindi na in the day of His creation. Na siya sa mga, tapos na ang kasalanan niya ani. Verse number 3, and Adam lived 130 years. And he begat his son. So, this is after his fall. After he committed sin against God. That's what sa Biblia. And begat his son in his own likeness. Ano sa ang likeness ni Adam? Pag-abot sa diyan nakasala siya atubangan sa Dios. Dead spirit, lost soul, and sinful body. Muna ang image of Adam. After he begat son, ang iyang anak, it is in his own likeness, not in the likeness of God. Kaklaro sa Biblia na. So, doon ay musulti sa inyong tao nga, we are created in the likeness of God. That is a lie. Bakak na nako. we are born in the likeness of Adam. Only Adam was created in the likeness, Adam and Eve was created in the likeness of God before their fall. But pasabot, before sila nag-commit og kasalanan tubangan sa Ginoo, they were in the likeness of God. Pero after their fall, they have a dead spirit, lost soul, and sinful body. And we were born in the likeness of our Father, our human father, our fleshly father, which is Adam. Not in the image of God. O unless i-twist nila ng bersikulo. Klaro na. Not only in his own likeness, and siya after his image. Di naman ayan pang i-twist na nga bersikulo. We are in the image of Adam after his fall. Not in the image of God. Kaya kung image sa Ginoo, anong dead atong spirit? Anong lost ang atong soul? Anong sinful ang atong body if we are created in the image of God? God is holy. Why we are not holy? We are sinful. God is not sinful. Yang may mga created ko in the image of God, ka makakasala ni mong dako. Huwag ka maghuna-huna na. Ikumpara rin mo imong pagkatao sa Diyos. Huwag ka mauwaw na. Gideform ka sa yawa. Do not compare yourself sa Diyos. Ang Diyos, dili makasasala, kita makasasala. Ang Diyos magkinalag kalawasan, kita nagkinalag kalawasan. So kung doon na yung mga tao magwali na baka po na yung mga tao na we are in the image of Adam.